Dear students, welcome to my channel. In the previous video, we have discussed the computation of gross annual value and the deduction from gross annual value to arrive the annual value. In this video, let us discuss what all deduction possible from annual value. There are two deduction possible according to section 24 of the Income Tax Act 1961. One is 30% of annual value and second one is interest on loan. Suppose you have got 3 lakh rupees is the gross annual value, you can deduct municipal taxes paid by the owner, maybe it is 30,000 rupees, then the balance is 2,70,000, that is the annual value. So from this value, you can deduct less 30% of this value, that is 2,70,000. This is deduction 1, 30% of annual value. This deduction is allowed as the standard deduction, and along with that, interest on loan also would be permitted to deduct. Let us discuss the conditions for deduction with respect to interest on loan under section 24 in detail. Point 1 is interest paid on unpaid interest. Any fine charged on or penal interest charged on unpaid interest cannot be deducted. This is point 1. Interest deductible on due basis, which means interest paid or payable during the previous year shall be deducted from that particular year's income from house property. Similarly, interest on fresh loan taken for repaying the previous loan taken for the purchase or construction of the house property shall be deductible. So it need not be the primary loan taken for the construction of the building. It could be the subsidiary loan or subsequent loan taken for repaying the first loan which is taken for the construction or the purchase of the house property. Similarly, brokerage or commission paid in connection with raising this loan cannot be deducted, or expenses in connection with the raising of loan cannot be deducted from income from house property under the section 24. Interest on loan for pre-construction or pre-acquisition period can be kept accumulated, and 1/5 of that value can be absorbed in a span of 5 years, which means the interest on loan prior to the completion of construction or interest on loan prior to the purchase period of the building can be kept accumulated and could be divided into 5 equal installments, and it could be absorbed in 5 years. And any interest which is paid outside India for a loan raised for the construction or purchase of the building, in that money no tax is deducted at the source. Under that situation, that interest on loan cannot be deducted from the income from house property as per section 25 of the Income Tax Act. So these are the important 5 points to be kept in mind while dealing with the interest on loan which could be deducted under section 24 from the income from house property. 2 important points are interest on loan paid or payable during the previous year can be deducted, that is point 1. Point 2 is 1/5 of interest on loan prior to the completion of construction or acquisition or purchase of the building can be deducted. So my dear friends, these are the 2 deductions, 2 major deductions possible from annual value while computing the income from house property, that is 30% of the annual value, and the second one is interest on loan. Interest on loan could be under 2 stages. Stage 1 is interest on loan paid during the previous year or payable during the previous year, and the second one is interest on loan paid prior to the completion of construction, and that value the assessee could not be absorbed in the income from house property, it could be kept accumulated for 5 years and 1/5 of that value could be absorbed in a span of 5 years. So these are the two major deductions possible according to section 24 while computing the income from house property. Hope this concept is clear. So in the previous video we have discussed the computation of gross annual value and the deduction from gross annual value. Two deductions are possible, that is municipal taxes paid by the owner. Second one is the unrealized rent if it is there. The balance will be the annual value. From the annual value again two deductions are possible. One is 30% of annual value and the second one is interest on loan paid or payable. Hope this is clear. If this video is useful, please forward it to your friends and also the other students. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please do it. Thank you very much for watching my channel. Thank you.